are you and what are we doing here?
Okay, I'm Dr. April Kelton. I'm a dentist from the States. I work in Annapolis, Maryland at About Smiles Dentistry. And I'm here taking the Western Surgical Hands-On Exodontia course in Costa Rica. So we're providing care for Costa Ricans that otherwise wouldn't have access.
Are you getting anything out of this course? Have you learned some new techniques that you had?
Absolutely. I've learned a lot about the different available instruments. I've learned a lot about different procedures and flap techniques. I don't have a whole lot of experience taking out complicated impactions, and I've gotten an opportunity to do that during this course. And I have a much higher comfort level with everyday extractions that I would do in my practice.
So is there anything you're going to be able to take back and put into service Monday or whenever you get back to work?
Absolutely. More for me, I'm not interested in taking out third molars, impacted third molars on a daily basis, but it gives you the skills and the tools you need for if you run into a problem while you're doing what you normally do, and something that I would normally I would have to stop and pack it with gauze and refer it out to an oral surgeon. Now I feel more confident that I can go ahead and lay a flap, do the surgery, and take the tooth out in my practice.
So two more random questions. One is, was the cost of the course, you seemed it was worth it? It was a fairly high cost course, but it could be awesome.
It is a fairly high cost course. I think that between the humanitarian aspect of the trip and the fact that I will be able to take some things back into my practice, the cost will recover itself. It's not one that will recover itself for me my first day back in practice on Monday, but over the course of time it certainly will, and to make take the stress off me and just make life easier when I'm doing extractions, and to me that's worth it.
Can I see a clip? Okay. You want to go and change position for the last question? A little bit wider. So then the last one I want to ask you this is that a lot of people that came here didn't know anything about Costa Rica, and they don't know what there is here. And they're like, what do we do here? So how would you, I know this is a loaded question for
I kind of did.
But I mean, in terms of a location for seminars, is this a good place, and does it provide some other opportunities for recreational touring?
Oh, absolutely. I mean, as far as location, you can't beat Costa Rica. The people are friendly. There's so much to do here. I've been here a lot of times, but my family came to visit, and every age, from my parents in their 70s to my niece and nephew, teenagers. There's something that everyone just enjoys. So I would pick Costa Rica over nearly anywhere for a class, for sure.
Thank you.